Fall glam nails, simple, cute, and quick. Let's get into these fall nails. I am starting with a quick prep from shaping, light buffing, and a thin layer of my peel off base gel. Then I'm prepping and applying my gel extensions before jumping into the design. But if you want a full detailed prep routine or how I apply my gel extensions, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below. Fall vibes only. I'm using a few different browns that I got from Shein as well as Nail Reserve. Now I'm not even going to pronounce the name of the brand that I got from Shein. Just know there's the name. Just know that their nail polish, I really do like their nail polish. One, they're inexpensive. I look at their ingredients. They are TPO free and HEMA free. I know this color might not be considered a brown, but I needed a nice base color that will fit within the colors that I'm using. So this was a perfect match for me. I'm using this brown color that I got from Nail Reserve. Let me tell you, this polish smells so good. I don't know how they did it. If you have not tried out this brand, please give it a chance. I think you will be highly pleased. Now, this is what all my browns are looking like. Design, love it. Let's go. I'm going to create the same pattern on this nail but using two different colors. I'm going to start off with the color that I got from Nail Reserve, the brown, and then I'm going to use the color that I have on my ring finger underneath this brown. This design is super simple. It took me less than 10 minutes, but it still gives that clean, classy fall look. Sometimes my easiest sets end up being the cutest ones. Just like when you throw something on to go outside and somebody stops you and tell you you look cute, you're like, yo, I just threw this on, but thank you. That's how I was feeling when I got finished with these nails. My fiance was like, I like that. Gave me a little boost of confidence. Now I'm just applying that white just to offset these different color browns. Alright, I was going to stop here, but I had to add gold because let's be honest, plain nails, not in this house. So I'm adding the gold lines onto the lines that I already created on my middle finger. I'm also going to apply the same gold lines to my ring finger as well as my thumb. There's a lot of different colors going on these nails. So the gold lines, I really want them to pop. So I'm going to add them a little thick on top of the nails just so they can stand out a little bit more. So after they cure, I'm going to go in with a second coat. I will be doing this off camera because I didn't want the video to be too long. Then I'm going to go in my favorite top coat, which is by Hangnail. I actually discovered this polish from TikTok. Man, does it give you that sparkle that you need. And that's it, y'all. Simple, cozy fall nails to keep the good vibes going after Halloween. If you made it this far, I truly thank you for hanging out with me. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy, beautiful nails you could do at home. I'll see you in the next one.